Yeah, sabi niya, please, Wilma, don't forget to tell them that, ha?
Yeah.
Okay, Mariah Carey lang naman yun.
Let's check out kung ano na ang nangyayari sa The Sweet Life Bootcamp. Grace?
Alright, thank you. Kasama naman natin ngayon si Al De Leon of Makeup Forum. Hi, Al. I know you're busy here. Let me steal you for a moment. Oh, she's looking gorgeous. Okay, so what are the makeup techniques that you use to make her like the glowing diva, Mariah Carey?
Okay, with Mariah Carey's makeup naman, she's concentrating on flushed cheeks and nude pink glossy lips.
Okay.
So that's what we did to the celebrity singer.
Okay, what do you mean exactly by flushed cheeks? Anong color yung ginagamit natin for the cheeks for that?
Well, it's a mixture of pink and peach. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
We add a little bit of shimmer.
How about the eyes? And the hair? The hair, di ba si Mariah, di ba very maarte with her hair? What did you do with her hair naman?
Well, what we're gonna do with her hair is we're setting it right now. She likes it with big curls.
Big curls, very glamorous.
Curls. So that's what we're going to try to achieve with the celebrity singer tonight.
Alright, that's gonna be a surprise. So, let's find out who she is and how she looks like. Here she is.
She started singing at the age of 3 just like her idol Mariah Carey.
Naku, tingnan nga natin kung ma-obsess tayo or ma-feel din natin ang emotions niya. Nax, obsessed and emotions. Mariah Carey hits yan.
Here is Julie Ann San Jose.
There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you want. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and he casts your fears aside, and you know you can't survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. Dreams are hard to follow, but don't let anyone tear them away. Hold on, there will be tomorrow. Inside, you'll find the way. That a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and he casts your fears aside, as you know you can't survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. That a hero lies in you. Ooh, that a hero lies in you.
Bongga.
Julie Ann.
Dalaga ka na. And of course, kasama pa rin natin si RC, ang stylist na responsible sa look ng ating mga young divas. So, RC, anong ginawa mo sa kanya?
Alam naman natin na si Mariah mahilig sa pink, di ba? So,
Yes.
pink tube lang ang puhunan niyan. At boses.
Ganun ba?
Bongga
Mahilig
na
mo siya sa pink?
Oh
Oh
Yes.
my
Diba?
gosh,
Hindi
yes.
ko nga
Hindi
napansin
halata
yun.
siya.
Bakit, paano at bakit mo naging super idol si Mariah?
Actually, kasi po, usually po talaga yung mga songs ko po talaga na kinakanta. Ever since po talaga, nung bata po ako, idol ko na po talaga si Mariah. Siguro ang mga similarities lang po namin. Yung mga, siguro po yung mga kulot-kulot, mga ganun. Ganun po.
Yung kulot ng boses, ibig niya sabihin.
Yan ang gusto niya. No? Isang young vocal talent ang itatry na ma-achieve ang look ni Nicole ng Pussycat Dolls. Sino siya? Hintayin nyo when we come back.
Caught up in your wishing well, your hopes inside it. Take your love and promise it.